Hey, it's the 4 o'clock hour. Actually, it's probably closer to about 4:40 or so in the morning, and I figured we could take a quick look at what this place looks like at 4 o'clock in the morning after shoveling every 2 hours. Now, I don't know how good this is coming out, because two things: one, I'm shooting in the dark, and two, I'm shooting through a plastic bag to keep it from getting too much snow on the camera. But take a look over here. It's kind of hard to see. There's a car in the background, and I'm shooting through one of the drifts. I'll give you an idea of how tall this snow is coming over here and showing you my shovel leaned up against it. There we go. That's the shovel. Let me see that. It's pretty tall. There's a lot of snow out here. Now, even after just hitting this thing every 2 hours, you can see I still got a good 5.5 to 6 inches out here as of 4:30 in the morning, and that's only 2 hours worth of buildup. And a lot of snow out here, folks.